Yeah, here. Yeah, I do have a social life. I do have a wife, and my wife would sometimes say that, no, I don't have time for those things. But yes, I absolutely do. And, you know, I work a very rigid day when I can. I get up and I start work very early in the morning, and I try and down tools at about 5:30, 6 o'clock, and have an evening, or go out, or, you know, spend some time with my wife. So, yeah, I try and have a social life and a normal life as well. But the most difficult thing being a freelancer is actually taking holidays. Because you're being paid by the job, it's very difficult to say, right, I'm going to just have 2 weeks unpaid, more or less, and go off on holiday and possibly miss out on important phone calls or other work. So it's a kind of harrowing life sometimes, being freelance. But yeah, I try and make it as normal as possible. You know, I know writers who sometimes work, you know, they flip their day around, and they are, you know, they have a normal day and then work late into the night. But no, I'd much rather work a rigid, almost 9 to 5 day.